Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss top 20 questions for all exams on the topic of Indian economy. So let's get started. Number 1. In an economy, the sectors are classified into public and private on the basis of first, employment conditions, second, nature of economic activities, third, ownership of enterprises, or fourth, use of raw materials. So the answer is ownership of enterprises. Next, ML Datwala committee is related to first, indirect taxes, second, licensing of new banks, third, small scale industry, or fourth, regional rural banks. So the answer is regional rural banks. Next, RN Malhotra committee is related to number 1, cash credit system, number 2, reforms in insurance sector, number 3, poverty estimation in India, or number 4, regional rural banks. So the answer is reforms in insurance sector. Next, what is the meaning of zero-based budgeting? Number 1, the situation in which all expenses must be justified for each new period. Second, no new expense in new budget. Third, no deficit budget. Or fourth, the budget introduced in the middle of the year. So the answer is the situation in which all expenses must be justified for each new period. Next, national income estimates in India are prepared by number 1, Planning Commission, second, Reserve Bank of India, third, Central Statistical Organization, or fourth, Indian Statistical Institute. So the answer is Central Statistical Organization. Next, in India, agriculture income is calculated by first, output method, second, input method, third, expenditure method, or fourth, commodity flow method. So the answer is output method. Next, the main source of national income in India is number 1, service sector, number 2, agriculture, number 3, industrial sector, or number 4, trade sector. So the answer is service sector. Next, the standard of living in a country is represented by its number 1, poverty ratio, number 2, per capita income, number 3, national income, or number 4, unemployment rate. So the answer is per capita income. Next, what is the full form of GDP? Number 1, gross domestic product, number 2, global domestic ratio, number 3, gross depository revenue, or number 4, global depository receipts. So the answer is gross domestic product. Next, in India, national income is calculated by the method which is known as number 1, the combined method, number 2, the income method, number 3, the product method, or number 4, the expenditure method. So the answer is the combined method. Next, the first census in India during the British period was held during the tenure of first, Lord Dufferin, second, Lord Lytton, third, Lord Mayo, or fourth, Lord Ripon. So the answer is Lord Mayo. Next, in India, planned economy is based on first, mixed economy system, second, capitalist system, third, Gandhian system, or fourth, socialist system. So the answer is socialist system. Next, the implementation of Jawahar Rozgar Yojana rests with number 1, Gram Panchayat, number 2, district collector, number 3, state government, or number 4, union government. So the answer is Gram Panchayat. Next, which sector of Indian economy contributes largest to the gross national product? First, primary sector, second, secondary sector, third, tertiary sector, or fourth, public sector. So the answer is tertiary sector. Next, in India, the state known for its sandalwood is first, Karnataka, second Assam, third Kerala, or fourth West Bengal? So the answer is Karnataka. Next, the government of India has decided to declare which of the following rivers a national river? Number 1 Yamuna, second Kaveri, third Ganga, or fourth none of these. So the answer is Ganga. Next, the dual economy is a mixture of number 1 traditional agriculture sector and modern industrial sector. Number 2 industrial sector and manufacturing sector. Number 3 state ownership sector and trading of goods obtained through imports. Or number 4 none of these. So the answer is traditional agriculture sector and modern industrial sector. Next, Mahalanobis model has been associated with which 5-year plan? Number 1 first 5-year plan, number 2 second 5-year plan, number 3 third 5-year plan, or number 4 fourth 5-year plan. So the answer is second 5-year plan. Next, paper currency first started in India in dash first 1542, second 1601, third 1861, or fourth 1880. So the answer is 1861. Next, depreciation is an annual allowance for the wear and tear of number 1 work in progress, number 2 land, number 3 finished goods, or number 4 capital goods. So the answer is capital goods. So thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, then please share and subscribe the channel.